attitudes natin.
Ay, Doc! Good morning!
O, dito na tayo. Ay,
good morning.
Dito na tayo.
Morning.
Tama ba?
Yes.
Tama, di ba?
Morning, morning.
Welcome back.
Thank you, thank
Welcome
you.
back.
Pero ito first time mo dito sa house? Or
Yes, first time ko sa house.
na. Sige, tinanong ko.
Doc, sige.
Ganda
Yan.
ng bagong bahay.
Nako.
Welcome sa house namin.
O, Doc, ano nga ba ang mga antisocial behavior at bakit meron tayong mga ganto?
Well, ito yung tinatawag nating antisocial personality type, no? So, ito yung most likely equated or associated to sa criminal behavior.
Oh.
No? So, yun yung mga extreme types,
Okay.
no? Pero lahat naman tayo nasa realm na meron tayong antisocial traits, no?
Bakit may mga ganung, tama ka dyan, Doc, may mga ganung moments na hindi mo feel
Socialize.
Ika-clarify lang natin, no, na ang antisocial behavior is not the way the layman will actually understand it. Antisocial kasi ang understanding ng tao minsan na
Introvert.
introverted sila, they're very shy, they don't like to socialize, no? Ang true antisocial behavior is described as wala silang desire to conform with society. Kaya anti-social. So they don't like to conform. They're very deceitful, no? Mahilig sila manloko.
Oh.
They don't care about others' feelings. Wala silang remorse. Sila yung mga taong when we talk to them, wala kang feeling that they care for other people.
Doc, is this genetics? Or...
There is a genetic predisposition,
Okay.
no? Sabi nila na biological relatives, no, na may antisocial personality, malaki yung likelihood na manahin nila tong type of behavior na to.
Jeez.
So ito yung mga criminal acts. Sometimes you get this as sila yung nagiging serial killer, no?
So it can be a disorder.
It can be a disorder. It can be some type of trait, no? So we see a lot of antisocial personality types sa mga may problema sa legal system. Yun yung in and out of the Bureau of Corrections, no?
Yeah,
Yung talaga sila
yeah.
nako-correct.
Yung
Pabalik-balik
mga
sila.
children in conflict with the law. Yeah.
Yes. So, hindi, saka sila yung mga simple
Non-conforming.
acts
Petty,
of
petty
thefts,
theft.
yung mga ganon. No?
At a very young age po ba, madedetermine mo kung antisocial niya? May mga symptoms po ba
Okay.
silang minamanifest?
It's pretty difficult because antisocial personality, you can't make a diagnosis unless the age is 18. Ito ko yung nagdidictate actually sa atin yung law. Bakit tayo pwede ka lang makulong considered at a certain age, no? 18 ang cut-off nila. Pero by 15 years old and below, dapat meron ka ng mga symptoms of that type of problems. So, usually ito yung mga batang laging napapaaway, nagnanakaw, naninira, no? And may cruelty pa to animals, no? Yung natutuwa sila pag may nasasaktan sila mga hayop. Yan. So, for some extreme cases, at a very young age, nakikita na siya, no? Ito yung minsan mababalitaan nyo, yung pinatay niya yung kalaro niya, yung one celebrated case
Tinusok ng
in the
pencil,
United
diba?
States, diba? Yung bata na linunod niya yung kalaro niya, tapos nakatingin lang siya, tumatawa pa siya na nalulunod yung kalaro niya.
Doc, how do you correct this? I mean, sabi mo, kayo sa industry nyo, hindi pwedeng i-diagnose kagad yung person na antisocial unless he reaches the age of 18. But ako, inisip ko, parang, maybe that's too late already. Diba? You're not, if you say antisocial, criminal na ba siya kagad? Or parang, predisposed lang siya na mag-commit ng crime
Okay.
because of this
So, ang
disorder.
tinatanong sa Secretary, ano yung mga mild manifestations?
Oo, meron ba?
Yung parang
Saka
magbibigay ng
paano
hint sa'yo
agapan?
na dapat bantayan na to kasi parang may chance nga na mag-worsen.
I mean, that's a good question, no? This is where child psychiatrists are very important, no? So, ito yung mga children na dapat bantayan mo na meron silang problems with conduct, no? Sila yung laging pinapataw sa office dahil nga maraming kalokohan na ginagawa. At the same time, pag pinapangaralan sila, wala silang pakialam. Parang hindi sila na-affect. Especially when they hurt somebody. Those are good telltale
So
signs.
parang wala na
no?
silang concept ng good and bad.
May concept sila ng good and bad. It's just that they don't care. No? In a way, simple po sinasabi namin, wala silang konsensya. Yung iba parang, and of course, pagdating na sila dun sa, kasi ako I'm an adult psychiatrist, no? So, most of these patients, siguro yun yung challenge on my end, is to correct these patients, no? So, usually you see this a lot sa mga rehab facilities, no? Yung marami na silang nagawang crimes.
Oo nga, paano mo kinokorek yun?
Oo, paulit-ulit.
Paulit.
Actually, intensive psychotherapy yon, no? So, one-on-one, ano.
Hindi
Tapos,
naman hindi naman kinokuryente, no? Or something.
Hindi
Hindi
naman.
naman ganun.
Psychotherapy, dapat matuto sila na maging remorseful. Kasi yun ang character nila eh. They lack remorse. So yung wala akong pakialam na ninakawan ko yung nanay ko na matanda na. Oo. So, kailangan maintindihan nila. So sometimes, usually when they're depressed, mas natutuwa pa kami depressed sila, we don't treat them immediately para ma-access natin yung natatago nilang remorse. No?
Paano naman kung, Doc, yung kunwari ibabalik mo sa kanila yung mga kunwari ginawa nila para ma-feel nila kung gaano kasakit yung kunwari manakawan o masaktan o alam mo yun, yung feeling na
That's why
ginawa
we
nila.
certain value ang jail time. Yung pag nakukulong sila. Kasi yung taking away freedom is also a way to teach them a lesson. No? Pero very superficial yon kasi hindi pa nila masyado hindi na i-integrate, lalo na kung yung Bureau of Corrections mo walang magandang program to actually help these types of patients, no?
Dok, tanong ko lang yung program na ginagawa niyo, yung pang-correct dun sa mga taong antisocial. Is it different from somebody na namana niya and then from someone na nagkaroon siya ng traumatic experience?
Usually kasi antisocial personality is a combination of social factors, psychology, and biology. So, hindi mo masasabi na it's just psychology, nagka-trauma lang siya, hence meron siyang antisocial behavior, no? So, the treatment is pretty much the same, no? But you have to tailor it to the needs of the individual. Siyempre, iba pag babae, iba pag lalaki. But ang isa sa mga nakita nilang a little bit more effective than the rest, wala kasing 100% eh, no? Is what they call a therapeutic community, yung rehabilitation, no? It's just expensive.
No, may question.
Yes.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Like, I have, na-mention mo kasi, Doc, na usually ito yung mga nagiging serial killers, ganyan. Kasi I have a huge fascination sa mga stories ng serial killers. And most of them, napansin ko, trend talaga, very, like you mentioned, deceitful sila. Mababait sila. In fact, sociable sila. Kaya na marami silang nakukuha mga victims. So, paano mo madedetermine kung waring beyond 18 na to and ganun yung persona nila na may possibility na this person has antisocial behavior?
It's very difficult. Even, sabi nila, even the most experienced of clinicians can be deceived by persons with antisocial behavior, no? So, kailangan, I think you have to be very cautious. You have to be very vigilant. And important sa'yo to do a good history. Ibig sabihin, ask mo kung ano nangyari dito sa tao na to, ano yung background niya. And then you have to point out their inconsistency. They call it somewhat, they call it a stress interview when you see a patient like this. For the lay, basic rules of engagement, no, don't talk to strangers, kilalanin mo muna sila bago kayo pupunta sa isang isolated area na kayong dalawa lang. Kasi syempre, hindi mo nga alam.
Yung
No?
history na tayo.
Ito, Doc, tanong ko lang, kasi puro medyo yung nandun tayo sa mas severe form. Bakit merong minsan binibiro yung mga introvert na antisocial sila? Ano ba, very thin lang ba yung boundary between an introvert and an antisocial?
Actually, contrary to popular belief, the introverts are very different from the antisocial persons, no? Patients kasi usually tawag ko sa kanila, no? But bakit? Kasi ang mga antisocial, they're very karinyoso sila eh. It's easy for them, lalo na sa court. Sa court, pagka nakakakita ka na antisocial, kala mo ang bait-bait nila. And, you know, you see this a lot in our society, no? Minsan makikita mo pag nanonood ka ng korte, bakit? Ay, ang gwapo-gwapo naman niya. Ang bait pa, parang hindi siya, you make a judgment na hindi siya guilty. But, you know, just because they're good-looking and at makarinyoso sila, doesn't necessarily mean
So in short, dahil nga deceitful, ang dami-daming pwedeng iba-ibang aspect. Maganda siguro, lagyan din ulit natin ng isang topic pa ulit na about, parang hihimayin natin yung pagiging antisocial. Anyways, Doc, saan kanila pwedeng mabisita yung mga gustong magpakonsulta, alam mo na.
Yes, you can find me sa Medical City. 689-8278.
Okay, ayan.
Maraming salamat,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Ronnie Lepanyo.
Anytime.
Anytime, ma.
Invite
Balikan
ka
niyo
dito
na.
ng bahay.